Hello! Here we are to our first LFL installation. I'm gonna show you how this works. So, here is the house that we're going to be working on today.
House number one.
House numero uno.
We did a half a house yesterday because I fixed one that we had installed last year, but the charge controller went bad.
Yeah, sometimes there's a lot of work that needs to be done in the years later, a lot of maintenance. So we're gonna start by putting a hole into the siding, side of the house, about right there. Gonna put a hole right in that wall, and we're gonna run the wires into the house through that far wall, and end up putting the LED strip at the top. Pretty nice house in comparison to others that we've done, but it's got no light, so we're gonna put some light in it.
That'll save us a few steps.
And time to get some materials out. Let's see what we got in here.
Lots of goodies.
We got some boxes, some prepped solar panels, drill.
Is this your video record?
Yes, this is my video record for classes. Yeah. So we're gonna.
Is this the one that Gabby did?
This is from Fisher Middle School.
Yeah. Oh no, that's the other one. We'll do that later.
You want Gabby's here?
Yep, I got it right here.
It's number one.
That's right.
The first one QA'd and ready to go.
Dr. John can
There
check.
Okay.
Our switch is coming out a little. See that? So it's an easy fix.
All right.
John can check. See, these are the girls who made the light possible.
From Fisher Middle School.
Julia, Ainsley, and Gabby.
And we didn't have to do a thing to it. It was perfect.
Yeah. They wrote
Wow,
this
what
note.
stellar
And Gabby
students.
speaks Spanish. So
Oh,
she wrote
wow.
in Spanish. You got that?
You can freeze frame this and read it if you want. Pause the video now to read the message. Okay, hopefully you did that. All right. We'll come back once we're gonna start doing some work here. All right, we're ready. Yeah, we're rolling.
So we're gonna drill through the stucco, and then hopefully come right out. Oh, that wire is right in that corner, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Maybe we should avoid that. I don't want to get it tangled up in the drill.
Gotta always be thinking.
Do you want to go into
So just go on this side?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Eric, other side.
Okay, other side.
But that means I gotta drill left-handed, Chris.
You can do
Ah, adapt, overcome. It's a special type of drill bit that goes through the concrete, not your average wood drill. Masonry bit.
Uh-oh. It's drifting on me.
It's a hard angle.
And the problem is I'm gonna start damaging the roof. Which would be good to avoid.
So you can go in a little lower than the corner, right? It doesn't need to be right.
I should have brought some of that foam insulation stuff that you squirt in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
And it.
Is that going in?
May want to get that hammer drill.
Got tools
You're almost
for
there, I
everything. Oh, that seemed like something.
Yeah, you can see it's drifting up onto some pretty thick. Someone want to go see if they can see daylight?
Yeah,
The
let's go check.
ladder's okay, Chris. Yeah.
Let's go check. Can we see daylight? Nope. This is where we're coming through. Right there. Nothing there yet.
Esa cima de largo a la luz hacia allá, ¿no?
Alright. Well,
No, not
I'll
yet.
come back once we get it. So the old adage, work smarter, not harder. We already have a hole in this house. It's right up there. So we're gonna not put it on that side. We're gonna put it on that side.
Maybe I can run through it from here.
There's a,
Is it out?
oh, we're running it through.
It's curving when you come through.
So this is connected to
Twist the wire a little.
the box.
Can you grab it
There's
with
the wire going to the
you
solar
need a
panel.
taller ladder, Tom?
No, but I can reach it.
And we're going through the ball.
Get through the hole. If you twist it a little bit.
I'm trying.
So we're gonna put the box right there.
Maybe
We're gonna
as
mount
high
it
as I can.
with some screws.
And maybe. So this is all stuck with.
That's it.
We're gonna have to put some anchors in,
Yeah.
and so that's we don't even have to have it that. But anyway, this is approximately where it's gonna go.
So now we got the box. It's in. We got it in. We needed some anchors for the screws, but we got it. And now we're figuring out where we can run the wire for the LED. Looks like we can get it to about around where this light that does not work is, because there's no electricity. So we're gonna put our own light that does work next to it. So now we're running the light via some zip ties up to the top from the box.
What do you think, Tom? We're just gonna go straight like this at an angle.
You can go straight up like this. We're
So
gonna
maybe
run
you
it
could
along the rafter.
Hold that orange one tight also,
Okay, let me do one more of these cinchos
Okay.
on this little thing here.
and then you can put a cincho on the orange one.
Yes.
And I'm gonna start putting them on the orange one on the outside here.
Okay.
Okay, did you get the...
Here we go. Now we're going. Muy bien. We got about 2 more.
Do one more here.
Well, if you go around that, we don't want to land right at the light here. We want to try and get past it. So,
But still, if I go down this way.
It's gonna put another quarter turn in
Yeah, we
there.
got it.
yeah, okay, all right.
Meanwhile, on the outside, we're hooking up the orange wire, the solar panel wire. Let's get ready to put the solar panel up on the edge of the roof. Meanwhile, on the inside, we are putting the lighting strip up. We've got it all routed. We need some wire nuts. Need some wire nuts to get the cord connected. We're twisting those on there. And then we will connect the strip onto the beam. Back outside, putting the bracket for the solar panel into the roof.
That's not going anywhere soon.
Yes. Bueno.
Solid.
Terminamos.
Say hello.
So now we're gonna put the panel up. Okay. Wire stripped.
Just taking the nut off because I don't want 2 wires connected.
Whoa. That's good. Oh man, you got it? Twisty?
Piece of wood is in the way.
Oh no. Another roadblock. We will figure that out. Next time.
Remember those?
Actually, this time.
Remember those
The
little
next recording. What?
pieces of plywood you used this morning?
Oh, yes. We're going to use them now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Round 2. This time we got a little block, and now it'll go in without any obstruction. Hooray. And we got little bolts to get the solar panel on there.
Look at that, Eric.
Socket.
So the only
Sock
thing
it
you
to
might
me.
have those wires on from coming from the solar, from the light panel
Yeah.
to the
And
wire are
we
really
need
short.
the panel
And I
facing
think
south.
I just
because
taped
that's
them
what
and
gets
got rid of the bolts
most
because they
sun.
weren't catching.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to have those probably.
We got it facing south. It's going to get light for most of the day.
Yeah.
Most direct
All right,
light
so
for
we can
most of the
strip
day.
some more of those.
We face
those
it
should be
east or
stripped
west.
back at least another
It only
half
gets sun
Yeah.
in the morning or at night.
And before you put up
But if it's
everything,
facing south,
you should
it'll get
connect
at least
the
indirect
light
sun
to the wire before we put
for the whole
wire.
day.
Even if it's hanging.
Since we're in the northern
we
hemisphere,
should do that because
we want it facing
because
south
that
rather than
way
north.
You don't pull on it or
Don't
stretch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, should check south.
check south. We checked,
It's gonna get
the
plenty of
compass.
sun up there. Believe me.
and we are in fact
Can you give me a
pointing
couple of
south.
those white seam charts?
That is south.
See, wait.
And we are pointed in that direction.
Why would if somebody in,
So we are good to
in
go.
the wrong box?
And next step is to flip a switch.
No.
No, JK, we have to connect the wire. Yeah, we have to
Another
connect cables.
blue
You're right.
wire
You're
nut
right.
As well.
Here's those.
Otherwise, it's gonna go wrong.
Okay.
Well, yeah, well, it won't turn on. Yeah.
Where are
They're in that toolbox to
So
your
there's
right, about chest level.
wires,
Should be a
Right
bag.
there from the
Yeah,
solar
you
panel.
Just add your hand on it.
and we're gonna
That blue
take
bag.
our wires that have fed in through the house and put it using some more blue wire nuts. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna make sure that it is looped so that water doesn't drip down into the wire nut, right? The final step, we are putting the battery into the box. So there's a lot of room for the box, and we're gonna just slide it right in. Looks like we got a red light on now, and we got a green light. Yeah? Now that you've connected them?
Yeah,
We do.
We do.
That's beautiful.
Once
The green light. Yeah.
Look at that. We
battery
got power.
supposed to go sideways, but if it closes this way,
Oh,
then
okay, but we put it sideways.
let's see.
And it was easier to hook in that way.
Yes, there are different
Well,
connections.
let's see if we gotta put the case on the box.
Oh, we gotta ask her to come over and maybe.
Make sure that's all sealed. Hopefully, no one will have to go in it for a while.
Let's ask her to come and flip the switch.
Es interesante. A mí me
Okay.
gusta.
Pastor, we are ready.
Listo.
Sí, pero
Ustedes.
Ustedes tienen que prenderlo.
aquí.
Sí.
Yeah.
Let Giggles do it.
Got loose.
Made it. All right.
Let there be light. There's light.
That is it.
So this one,
After much
Can we-
struggle,
can we hang this on here?
we have
Yeah.
got
Maybe a few of them. Tom.
everything connected
Here's my
from the sun to the lights inside. We are done.